Welcome to On the Beat, everyone. I'm Troy Thompson. Joining me from Steel Dynamics is Connor. Now, Connor's a process automation engineer. Welcome to the show, my friend. Nice to see you.
Good to see you too.
Okay, can you explain to everyone to begin with what your job entails? Now, a process automation engineer, what is that exactly?
So I'm a process automation engineer at Steel Dynamics in Columbus, Mississippi, and I do that for the electric arc furnaces, where we take the molten, we take raw steel scrap and turn it into molten steel. And so during that, I maintain the PLCs and HMIs, which are the operator interfaces, so that they can directly relate to their machines and manipulate the process and control it. And also I'm making sure that they don't have any uninterrupted production, because we are a 24-hour process. And we produce around average 200 tons of steel an hour. And I also help assist the electricians with very difficult problems and help maintain the electrical reliability of our system, and also work directly with the operators to increase efficiency or any changes to the process that they'd like to make.
Talk to me a little bit about your education and how it all came about to get into this type of business.
So I chose to go to Mississippi State University and do electrical engineering, which gave me a good solid background in the understanding of electricity and electrical devices. And it also taught me a lot on how to learn, how to teach myself, problem solving, and adaptability to situational awareness and things like that.
Okay, so I believe there's an internship program over there at Steel Dynamics. How did you get involved in that, and how did you hear about it?
So most of the time, Steel Dynamics attends job fairs in the local area, whether it be EMCC job fairs, MSU job fairs, or different things like that. So that's where they reach out to most of their internships. But I was kind of a little different than that. I just simply made a phone call out here to the company and told them that I was interested in an internship, and they worked with me directly, and it was a very smooth process. It just brought me on site and sat me down for several different interviews, and I was accepted for the position under the power distribution program out here.
So how long is that internship for, Connor?
So the internships are normally just for the summer, but they also do co-ops as well, which would be semester rotations.
Now, is there a guarantee of a job after those internships, or you just see how you go, and it works for both you and the company, whether you're a good fit or not?
Yeah, so it's between you and the company and kind of the department on where you do your internship in, and they speak department to department, and if they see you fit for another department or somewhere else in the middle, then yes, that's how it would work.
I think that works well. All right, so I'm going to ask you the question that most people don't like to answer. What do you like best about working for Steel Dynamics?
So the best thing about Steel Dynamics, I would say, is the people and the actual culture of the company. And the company takes very great care of its employees, and it's like a family out here. And everyone gets along. We have a good time.
And do you do a rotating shift, or do you have set hours? How does that all work for you?
Yeah, so majority of the guys that work out in the plant are on the 4-on, 4-off shift, but I'm actually have a day position. So I just work the standard Monday through Friday.
Oh, you got the good job.
Yes, you got that right.
So I hope everyone's staying safe down there and everything's well. I appreciate you taking the time to speak to me today.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
All right, if you want to find out more information about Steel Dynamics, there it all is up on the screen. We appreciate you taking the time to watch us. Back after this short break.